How to whiten teeth and brighten eyes in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the Beautify section. Here, use the teeth tool to make your smile brighter and more radiant. Next, tap on the eyes tool to make your eyes pop by enhancing their brightness and clarity. Adjust the intensity of each tool using the sliders to achieve natural and flattering result. Using teeth whitening and brighten eyes tools in Meitu allows you to create professional quality selfies, portrait, and social media ready photos quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to save your photo in high quality once finished. Now you know how to whiten teeth and brighten eyes in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips.